Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can turn on voice chat so you can talk on crossplay while basically playing Rocket League. It's really fast, easy and simple. And first what you need to do here is you need to go to settings, and on gameplay tab make sure that cross-platform play is turned on. All right, here. So this is the first thing that you need to modify, and then you need to go on, as you can see here, on controls, and make sure that push to talk is also turned on. So as you can see here, there is a little tick button, and as you can see here on the bottom it says enable to require a button press to activate your microphone. So this means when you want to talk you need to basically press a button. So we need to set up the buttons because on default there is no setup for that. So press on view and change bindings here, and then make sure to find, as you can see here, voice chat, and make sure to make the button that you are not using, and it will be only for voice chat. Basically when you press you can talk. Right, as you can see here, I will do R1, and that's pretty much it what you need to do. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.